Yes, Nam. Are you still awake?
Yes. Why do you like calling me that name, Unnam?
Because you are the rebirth of my father. But can't you see how you are very strong, agile? My father was a great wrestler.
You always talk about your father. How does he even look like?
My father looks like you exactly. You see, that is why I always call you my father. You are the second coming of my father into this world.
I don't understand. How am I your father's second John?
You are the reincarnation of my father. That is why I call you Nam.
Grandpa, do you still believe in reincarnation?
Yes, I do. It's real.
Grandpa, our pastor said reincarnation story is a false tale from the unbeliever. The only man who died and resurrected was Jesus Christ.
Yes. Jesus resurrected, but reincarnation is different from resurrection. You see, your pastor did not tell you that reincarnation is quite different from resurrection.
Grandpa,
You see, before the white man came with their Christian religion, we had already known the existence of the Supreme God. We are no lunatics. You see, they feel they taught us everything. But so many things about us they do not understand. That is why they asked the pastor to teach you that reincarnation is evil.
But Grandpa, how do we know that reincarnation is real?
I'll tell you the story of Agui and Olamma. These are two lovers who took oath under a tree.
Did they come back?
They came back. They came back.
Grandpa, is it not folktale?
No, it's not a folk story.
Grandpa, how do you know all these things?
I am an old man. We have customs and traditions, and I believe in them truly very well.
Is that why I called Onowu?
You have the blood of my father running in your veins. I want to tell you that this life is full of mysteries. I have seen a lot, and I have sought and got wisdom too. There is even a most recent story, the story of Obiajolo, who visited his lover after he has died. This is most touching.
Grandpa, tell us the story of Obiajulu first, please.
I'll tell you the story of Agui and Olamma, but I will start from their second coming. They bore almost the same names. Theirs was story of true love, of strong spirit, fertile of covenant and reincarnation.
Greetings, beautiful one.
Greetings.
We have met before.
Yes, we have. But where? Are you from this village?
No. I am from Umuakidi village.
I see.
I am E.
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 I'm Ola. Oleido.
Oleido. That is a very beautiful name.
Thank you. I still can't recall where we've met before.
Me too. And this is my very first time in this village.
I see.
Have you been to Enugu before?
No.
Have you been to Asaba before?
No. I have lived in this village all my life.
Interesting. Then I will stay with you until I figure out where we have met before.
It means you have to follow me to my house.
I will follow you to your house. I am ready to do that.
You're funny.
Am I?
Yes. How can you say you follow me to my house simply because you want to know where we've met before?
I am ready to do just as I have said.
My mother would kill me.
Kill you? You're not a child.
To you, I am not. But to her, I'm a little baby.
So where are you headed to?
I'm going to the house. I'm going home.
May I walk you to the house?
Okay.
Shall we? This tree. It seems I've been under this tree before. I've seen this tree. I've seen this particular tree before.
A lot of things look alike in this world.
I have a very strong feeling that I have been out of this place before.
Like I said, so many things look alike in this world. Anyway, it's called Tree of Blood. Perhaps you must have heard about it or somebody must have told you the story.
The Tree of Blood.
Yes.
This is a strange name. Strange name. Why do they call it?
When I was told by my parents,
So
my
they
grandfather-
told you stories.
Ewo,
Ma, good evening.
hola, how are you?
Good evening, Mama.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
You're welcome. Hola, get our visitor a seat now. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, hey, sit down. Hola,
Yes, Mama.
who is our visitor here?
Mama, his name is Ielu.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yeah, no, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Hola, get him a bacha to eat now.
Okay, Mama.
Come, get him a
Mama,
bacha.
Mama, don't worry. Thank you very much. I will eat next time. I'm not hungry.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Mama, he's shy.
Yeah. Okay. Just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, Mama.
No.
Thank you.
Ore, Nkwo, Eke, Afo. Just like my father said, the ember that was forcefully put off so many years ago will come back again. Arrow!
We're leaving so soon.
But I have been here for over an hour.
If you stay a little longer, will it kill you?
I did not say so.
Will you come tomorrow?
If you want me to.
I will be waiting for you.
I will come. Right. Bye.
Bye. Will you come tomorrow?
I will.
Is that a promise?
I am a man of my word.
Then I shall wait for you from sunrise.
And I will be there.
Hola. Ini Edo.
Ma? Ma?
Have you met that young man before?
No. Yes. We've met before.
No. Yes. Which one do I take? Ken Mewe.
Mama, we've met before.
You've met him before? Come and help me in the kitchen. Oh, that's the one.
Ini Edo. That name. That smile. That face. So familiar. Where have we met before? In my dreams?
Where did you meet that young man?
I've told you, Mama.
You've told me before. I can't remember. Ola, my daughter, you have to take it easy. What I see in your eyes is extraordinary. Love does not come that way. Take it easy.
Nanuko, Mama. I've heard you.
Anyị eligoli nzele o, anyị eligoli nzele. Anyị emegoli nzele o, anyị emegoli nzele. Ihe nwoke dị mma na ibukwa oli nzele, ịma na oli nzele dị mma. Papa, you didn't go out again?
No, I did not go out again.
Okay. I thought you went out.
Welcome.
You have actually been in a very happy mood, I have observed, since you got back from your mother's people. So tell me, son, is there something you need to let me know?
Papa, I will tell you when the time is right.
Not now.
Not now.
I went to Mazinze's place.
Okay.
Mazinze is a happy man.
He's always happy.
Oh!
As usual.
When you go to Mazinze's place,
you will be a happy
you will become a happy man. And you may go linzele o. And you may go linzele. Iye luoke di mani buko linzele o. Imano linzele di ma.
Since he left, you've been happy.
Mama, he will come tomorrow.
Do you love him?
Amara, Mama, I don't know. All I know is that I can't stop thinking about him.
This is pure obsession.
No, Mama. It is not.
It is.
My heart keeps leaping at the thought of him.
It is obsession.
No, Mama, it is not. There's this strong fondness that keeps me choking.
What do you know?
Mama, I know this one. I do.
My daughter, when I saw your father and got married to him, I found myself in this condition. Later I realized I was obsessed with him.
No, Mama. I know obsession when I see one. I know obsession when I feel it.
So why can't you feel this one? You've been avoiding men all this while. Suddenly, this stranger came from nowhere and swept you off your feet.
Yes. Yes, Mama, that's the word. Swept me off my feet. Yes. He swept me off my feet.
It's not funny. What has he done to my daughter? Oledo, what type of madness is this? You're still awake up till this time, humming here like a masquerade.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I was disturbing you. I can't sleep, Mama. I just can't sleep.
You cannot sleep because you're here thinking of that man. Akuya?
Mama, I'm old enough to think about anything I like, Mama. Mama, I just can't stop thinking about him. Mama, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for you. Go in there and sleep now.
Mama, please. Please, Mama, I don't want to talk. I'm happy. I'm very happy the way I am now, Mama. Please.
You can't sleep. I'm going in to go and sleep. Don't disturb me with your humming again. Oledo. This is getting out of hand. What kind of blind affection is this? Eh? You better go in there and eat your food. Go in there and eat your food. I say so. Yay! I've never seen a thing like this before. Eh? Oledo, did you kuche? Oledo. Yay! Woohoo! So give sopa. What is wrong with you? What exactly is your problem? You want to kill yourself because of a stranger. Onyenimaro, you've not done anything since morning. You have not eaten. Nothing. You've been crying all day.
Mama, I want to see! Mom! I want to see! I want to see! I want to see! Mama!
Shut up! Shut up. Now get inside. Go and sleep. I said go inside and sleep. No offense.
Leave me alone! Abubakar! I'm not going inside! I am not going inside! No! I am not going inside! I want to see!
If you want to sleep here, Edo. Oledo! Yeah. Oh. Oledo! 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 Yeah. Don't tell me you slept here.
Iyelu. Mama, Iyelu. Mama, I didn't come back again.
Oh.
Mama, I want to see him. I want to see him, Mama.
That boy has used charm on you. He has charmed you and I know. I know what to do. I'm not hanging.
I want to see him, Mother. I want to see him.
How are you?
Fine. Why do you have to do this to me?
I'm so sorry. My grandmother was sick and I had to take her to the hospital in the town.
I was worried. I thought I would never see you again.
I am here now. Mama. Good morning.
You have charmed my daughter. You think I don't know you charmed her?
Mama?
Don't mama me. You charmed her, but you have failed. Ida, go! I pray for you. Just wait for me.
I thought I would never see you again.
I thought about you all through.
Really?
Yes.
I missed you so much.
I am happy now that I have seen you.
That boy has charmed my daughter. She does nothing but to think of him. Cries whenever she's not with him. He has charmed my daughter.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to destroy the spell. Scatter that charm, destroy it. That's what I want you to do.
There's something you don't know about those two young souls. There's a bond between the both of them that no one can break.
I need you to break it. Break it. Why?
Woman, you don't ask questions. How can you jump into the river without knowing the depth of it?
What do I need to know?
There's many things. Many things you need to know. That you and your daughter, Oledo, and the young man in question had an unfinished business in your last war.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Okay. Oledo is a rebirth of your daughter. Olama was your daughter in your last war. Agui, the son of Obialoka, was her lover. He also reincarnated as Iyelu, the son of a teacher in another clan.
Why are you telling me all this now? Why?
Woman, it was your hatred for Agu and your desire for Alama to marry Prince Choma that led to their untimely death.
What are you talking about? How is that possible? How?
The story has just begun. Before me, they have a strong love for each other.
sorrow for family, if I sorrow for family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for family, if I sorrow for family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for family, if I sorrow for family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love.
Olama, Prince Chuma sent me to deliver this to you.
Is this my house?
Ola, you don't have to sound that way. Be polite.
Yeah. Gente, go back to that palace. Tell your prince that I don't need this. Nano ifemeko.
You should have collected it.
I don't need it.
Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for family, if I sorrow for family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever.
Take now. Look at you. You should count yourself lucky. Take. Hope it's nice. When was the last time you fed? You used to feed me. Take now. I'm sorry. I'm serious. Ow! You bit my finger.
No, I didn't.
You did. Why would I lie?
I don't bite something. Finger will I bite?
Look at you.
Olama! Olama! What's the meaning of this nonsense? What is going on here?
Nando.
Keep your greetings and tell me what you're doing here.
Oh, Mama. Abu has been coming to this place now. This is not his first time of coming.
Shut up! Mechiegonu! Mechiegonu lelele! I have told you to leave my daughter alone. Eh? You don't want to make her pregnant?
No.
Shut up! Shut up! Get out of my sight before Amadio has struck you to death. Get out! What? Oh no! Come back! Get back there! I'm not fear. You will never. You won't go and look out for rich men out there. No swally and sociable. Hungry boy, he's here to eat my abacha. You will carry this in inside.
No, this is not fair. This is not fair. Where are you? Come on, get inside.
Forever love you, my forever love you. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for far, if I sorrow for far, baby, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love you, my forever love you. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for far, baby, if I sorrow for far, baby.
What are you doing here? Won't you go and eat your food?
Mama, I'm not hungry.
And I said, get up from there. Go in there and eat your food.
I don't want to eat. I'm not hungry.
Get up, go in and eat your food before I hit your head on the stone.
If I sorrow a family, our love is unbreakable, my love.
My mother wants me to marry Prince Chuma.
That means you're going to leave me then?
No. No. I won't leave you. Never.
But Prince Chuma will not leave you alone. He will never leave us alone. He wants to marry you at all costs and your mother supports him.
Then let's run away. Let's run away. Let's go to your maternal home.
No, we cannot do that.
Listen. Prince Chuma will kill you if I refuse to marry him. Let's run away.
We cannot run away. We can't, Ola.
Okay, come.
What? What? Olama! Why?
Don't be scared.
What are you doing?
Don't be scared. Let's take a note.
What?
Yes. Let's take a note. Listen. If you truly love me, let's take a note.
Olama!
We have to do this so that even if we die, we'll keep coming stronger and stronger together again.
But
give me your hand. Give me your hand. Bring it. Now repeat after me. With this oath.
With this oath,
We seal our love.
I seal our love.
Even if we die,
Even if we die,
we will keep coming stronger and stronger together again.
we will keep coming stronger and stronger together again.
As long as this tree lives.
As long as this tree lives,
We'll come back again.
we will come back again.
Bring it.
solo a family, our love is unbreakable, my lover. Forever lover, my forever lover. We will be together forever, my lover. If I solo for family, if I solo.
Adanemo. Ugo Ben. Aku Ugo Mo. Nen. Why are you doing this to your mother?
Mother, I am not doing anything to you.
Why don't you want to marry Prince Chuma?
Because I don't love him. Mother, can't you understand? I don't love him.
Nen, with time you will get to love him. I told you.
I don't see that happening because that man is too arrogant. He's too arrogant for my liking. I will not marry him. I don't love him.
With time you will get to understand him. He will take very good care of you. He's wealthy. Besides, you're betrothed to him.
But that does not make me to marry him now. That does not mean I will have to marry him, Mama. Mama, I don't love him. Don't you understand? I don't love this man. I will never love him. Come rain, come shine. I won't love him. It will not happen. Oh, Mama, cha-cha, Mama. It won't happen.
So what are you trying to say? Are you saying we have to sit back, fold our hands, and watch the opportunity pass us by? Is that what you're saying? Are you feeling ego?
Mama, what opportunity?
This is the wealthy man we're talking about. The heir to the throne of Umuakede.
Mama, maybe you don't understand. Mama, things have changed. Things have changed, Mama. Gone are those days when such things happen. Mama, I will not marry him. It will never happen. Omame, cha-cha. Omame, cha-cha.
Oifiku. Mba. This is Omame. Oifiku. Be prepared for war. There will be no peace in this house. Akwefu, udamadi nuna cha-cha. Udamadi.
That will not make me marry him. It will not happen. Omame cha-cha. Obulogu Omali. Obulogu.
Prince summons your presence.
Go and tell the prince that you did not see me.
And you must follow me to the palace. Now.
And if I refuse, what will you do?
Then I will tie you up and take you to the palace by force.
I suggest you go with him.
No!
In the interest of peace.
I will not. I will not go and see that man. So disgusting and arrogant.
And I will not watch you insult my prince in that manner.
He's also my prince.
You are wasting my time, and I have some other things to do.
Yeah? Nti, are you deaf? I said I will not go. Go and tell your prince you did not see me.
And you are going with me right away. Now move!
Hey!
Hey! I'm finished. Huh? I'm finished.
Is he dead?
He's dead. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished.
He's dead.
said?
He said...
I'm finished. I'm finished, Olama.
What do we do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, let's run.
No.
Let's run.
No. Olama, we cannot run. We can't run away.
See, let's run. Let's run. If the prince catches you, he will kill you.
No. We can't just run. We can't run. You go home. Run. Go home. I'll go to my maternal home. Okay?
No. I want to go with you.
No. You can't go with me. Listen. If you run away with me, it will mean that you partake in this abomination. Okay? So just go home. Go home, my love. Please. Okay?
Okay.
Go. Run.
Olama! Mama, Ogini Nachi, what is watching you? Come here. You look nervous. Ogini.
No, nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Is you nothing? Olama, you are lying. Who is watching you?
No, nobody.
Olama!
Please stop.
Go home, Olama. It is too late. Just go home.
Agui, stop. Stop. You will break my heart if you do this. Please stop. Stop, I beg of you. I will die if you do this. I thought you said you were going to your mother's place. Agui, please.
Haven't you heard? The prince wants me dead.
Agui, please. Agui, please don't do this.
Ola, please just go home, okay? We will meet again. I promise you. Just go home and prepare for the journey. We will meet again.
No. Then let's do this together.
No, Ola, no. Put that knife away. Ola, don't do this, please. Ola, okay, I'm coming down.
Watch me do it.
Ola, put the knife away. Don't do that. Ola, okay, wait. Don't do it, okay? Listen. This must not end this way.
No.
Let me pay for this. All right? Give me.
No.
Give me.
No. Agui, let me die with you. Let's die here.
No.
Let's die here. This same place. Have you forgotten the oath we took on this same spot?
Ola, no. No.
Agui, please don't leave me.
Olama. I love you. I love you very much, and you know this.
Yeah, where are they? We must deal with him. We must kill him.
Shh. Now, run. Go, they're looking for me. They mustn't find me. Run. Go away. You want them to catch me.
Okay.
Olama, go.
Okay.
Hey, stop there! Where's Agui?
Set around. Stop there. Come on, stop there. I can find him.
You better go and thank the gods that I came to plead with Chuma to forgive you. If not, the palace guards would have flogged you to death. I have told you times with that number. I have told you, stay away from Agui. You won't listen. Ifro na Ntichili. On Ifro. Now, you are an accomplice to a murderer. Ifuko. Olama. Olama. Well, get inside. Go inside. Into your chili.
As long as the blood oath, they reincarnated to consummate with their affection.
So, what do I do?
What do you do? Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing can be done. Nothing can stop them. Nothing at all.
But it's a mere reincarnation.
No reincarnation is mere. Even if they die, they will still come back to continue with their affection. Their journey into this earth, it is an unending.
You have to do something.
Woman, don't tell me what to do. Have you asked yourself a question? The birthmark on your daughter's lips, where is it from? The young man in question has a mark on his neck. The scar he got from the rope the day he killed himself.
Why has this befallen me? Why?
I am not the gods.
She has gone elsewhere to reincarnate. I mean, go some other place.
I have told you, I am not the gods. Wait! There's a mark on your thigh. You got this the night you went to look for Olama in the bush.
How did you know about this?
Isn't that a stupid question? You can as well ask how the saliva got into the mouth. Go home. Let them be. But if you doubt me, something will happen to you the day the young man and his father will visit your home.
I told you he is coming with his people to see you.
Why?
Here. Mama, which one is white one? They are coming to seek for my hand in marriage.
Well, if you want to marry him, go ahead. But I am not in support of that marriage. I am not in support.
Mama, why are you doing this? I love this man, Mama. I love him.
What do you know about love? Kefima! A man you met few days ago. Now you have fallen in love. You want to marry him. Is that the madness?
Eh, Mama, it is madness. Yes, I know it is madness. Let me die in this madness, Mama. Mama, if you are not in support of the marriage, no problem, Mama. No problem. I will go with him. I will marry him. Mama, I said I will go with him and marry him. Period. Please come. Come and say welcome to me.
God forbid. God forbid for me to do such a thing. I cannot stand and watch you get married to that man. Things are not done that way.
It's all right. I know what to do.
I have told your uncles everything. I have told them not to come.
You? Why? You did what?
Yes! Yes, Oledo, yes! We can never be part of it. Never.
Are you sure they remember we are still waiting?
I don't know, but let's be patient, please. Let us be patient. Ola, what is wrong? Why are you crying? What is it? Ola.
My mother.
It's all right. It's all right. Stop crying, okay? Please stop crying. Please.
Son, what is happening here?
Papa, I think we have to go and come back another day. Things do not seem okay. Please.
All right. Son?
Don't worry, I'm right behind you.
Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for far, baby, if I sorrow for far, baby, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for far, if I sorrow for far, baby, our love is unbreakable, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for far, baby, if I sorrow for far, baby, our love is unbreakable, my love.
Look at you. You're still here crying. You're not ashamed of yourself. Eh? When will you come to your senses? I have just saved you from a big danger. Oledo, what if that man was a ghost?
Forever love, love forever, be together, forever love.
Oledo, my daughter, from what your mother has said, it is obvious that you don't know that man very well. Things are not done that way at all.
Tell her.
Now, you should take your time to know that man very well. Or do you want to marry an outcast?
Mercy.
Or perhaps some people who have a history of madness in their lineage? Please, please, please. This is marriage and lifetime contract. It is. Okay?
Mercy, I strongly believe this boy has used a charm on my daughter. If not, how do you explain this? How?
You should not do a thing you will regret all through your life.
Why?
You should not do that. Oledo, I do not want you to make a mistake you will regret all through your life. You must understudy this man and know when he is coming and when he is going. That will help you a lot.
Mazi, please, you have to help me. Because I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do.
Calm down, calm down. Everything will be alright. Let me tell you. Onye mwanwa, one ekwusu okwu. Onye na-amụrụ amụ, one ebesa akwa. Which one do you prefer? You have gotten a child. So calm down, calm down. Everything will be over. Okay?
Mazi, please, you have to help me. You have to help me do something. You have to help me, oh. You have to help me. This girl is getting out of hand. She's getting out of hand.
What is it? What is it?
Shut up! I said you make sure now. Shut that your dirty mouth.
Mechionu, shut up.
No pim, mama. Ma fija. No pim. Asim pim.
Mazi! What is it this time again?
Mazi, I am finished. I am finished.
What has happened again?
That mad boy has eaten deep into my daughter. I am finished.
This is very strange.
My daughter is running mad. She keeps shouting his name all the time, even at the middle of the night.
This is strange.
Mazi, what I think we should do, I think we should take her to a strong dibia.
No. It has not gotten to that.
It has gotten to that. It has.
No. I'll come to your house and talk sense into your daughter. She will understand.
Then you have to follow me right away.
No. I'll come in the night. Never mind. Everything will be okay.
Okay, Mazi. I'll be expecting you, please. Please make sure you come.
I must come.
Yes. Mazi, please, oh. I'll be expecting you.
Ole!
It's not what I'm thinking.
Oledo! Hey! Oledo! Jamu pana sende! Oledo! Hey! Mercy, it has happened! Mercy, it has happened! Oh, it has happened!
What has happened?
Oledo is missing. Eh? Mercy, Oledo is missing! I'm sure she ran away with that evil boy. Mother! Oledo is missing. Hey!
So she has not come back yet.
I have not seen her.
What is the meaning of this?
I've not seen my daughter. I've not seen her.
What shall we call this type of a nonsense? Eh?
I don't know.
Anyway, just calm down. I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do. Just calm down. This girl. And you know, onye nwa onye ekwusa okwu. Onye na-amụrụ ọnụ na-ebeso akwa. Nke ka nwa nwe ndidi, oh? Ishago. What is your problem?
Mazinze, I have been worried over the course of the week.
Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Keep your greetings. Where is my daughter?
Mama, is she missing?
Who are you asking that stupid question? I want to see my daughter. Mama.
I want to see my daughter.
Mamola,
I want to see my daughter.
Mamola, this is the time we shall have to talk things over. Leave him alone. Eh?
I don't know where she is.
You are a bloody liar. I'm not leaving you until you provide my daughter for me.
I want to see my daughter. Where is my daughter?
I do not know what you're talking about.
I say leave him alone.
Marapia. Marapia. Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter?
Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, I do not know where she is. Mama. Mama, please.
Hey. Mamola, I don't know it was this young man that we were all talking about. Honestly, he's a good fellow. His father is my friend and he comes from a responsible home.
Does that change the fact that this young man charmed my daughter?
He will never do that type of a thing. I know him very well. I know him. He will never do it.
I knew it! I'm a mama. The moment I saw him here, I knew you were going to side him. I am telling you that this young man here charmed my daughter.
I did not use charm on Ola. I did not.
Then what did you do to my daughter that is making her go crazy?
We are simply in love.
You're simply in love. What kind of love?
Mamola, you surprise me. After all I have said to you, you still continue to say this type of a thing.
Mazi, I am very, very surprised at you. That what I am seeing, you are not seeing it.
Excuse me.
Anyway, I have reported this matter to the council and they have promised to deal with you if you don't provide my daughter for me. Akwifule. Ifule. Balu chelo.
Mazi, why is she like this?
Never mind, never mind. Things shall be all right. Let us find Ola first. Okay? Let us just first find out Ola's whereabouts.
My daughter.
Shut up! I said, shut up! I warned you to stay away from them. Yeah? I've told you that nobody can put them apart. You are stubborn.
I am desperate.
Yes, you are desperate. Your desperation will lead you to early grave if you are not careful. That was how you caused their death in the last war.
So, what do I do?
Nothing. Go home.
My daughter is missing.
Your daughter is not missing. She's only hiding away from you. Get out! Say get out!
Forever love you, my forever love you. We will be together forever, my love.
You are not doing yourself any good. Honestly, what you are doing now won't pay you any good dividends. So it's better we go.
Mazi, I'm not going. I will not go, Mazi. Unless I see E, I will not go.
I'll take you to E. I'll take you to his house. Alright? So let's go, let's go. Yes, that is what I mean. I take you to his house.
I want to trust you.
Please do that. Yes, trust me.
Mazi, I want to trust you.
Yes, that is what I mean. Trust me, I will do what I say. Okay?
Our love is unbreakable, my lover.
Sometimes we find something to do. You mean you do not know her whereabouts? So you were saying you would go to Mazi's place. Have you gone? Yes. Oh, you already gone? Where could she? Where could she be?
Yes. I told you. You see now, I told you I'm bringing you to him.
Where have you been?
And
why did you run away from
home? Look at the father.
I did not run away from home. My mother was making the house unbearable for me. I am not going back to that house.
No, my dear. You will go back to the house. You know why? Because we are coming to pay your bride price. Tomorrow. Your mother will not be able to stop it this time. Huh?
Are you sure you will come tomorrow?
We have everything that we need for the rides. So we will come tomorrow unfailingly.
I will be there too.
That is good. Very good. You know, if you hadn't come now and we had stayed a little longer, we would have started coming to your house.
Even then, I shall still take her to the mother.
Go home.
Don't
I'll
worry.
see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow we are coming.
Okay.
Come. You go and see your mother too.
Tomorrow morning.
Master, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mama, yeah, I'll be waiting.
We'll be there. Never your daddy will kind Never your daddy will kind of. Ega bamu babu muaboko egwaja. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the
There.
It is the D-Day.
We will go there. Hey, come.
did you find her from?
Where I found Oledo is not very important. What is important at this juncture is that you look at yourself as a mother and not just like a woman.
Mazi, I am trying my best.
You can see your best is not sufficient. It's not enough.
I will try more.
Please do. Do. Iyi and his people will be coming here tomorrow. They said so. So make sure you tell your husband's people to wait for them. Hmm?
Okay. Mazi, I've heard you.
Yes. Ola.
Yes,
This is your house. Do not run away from your house. And take care of yourself. Proper care of yourself, okay?
Thank you, Mazi.
Mazi, Kodibazie. Thank you. Go well.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Fuma.
Thank you, Mazi.
Go inside. Go inside. What do you think you're doing? I'm talking to you.
Mama, what does it look like I'm doing?
You think you will win this battle? It's impossible.
Mama, I won't let you spoil my day. Ta won't watch him. Mama, ta won't watch him. You won't ruin my day. You will not.
Okay.
Let me see how they will come and take you away just like that. And all fear is...
Papa! It's broken. Look. This is a bad sign. We have to go back. No, Papa, we cannot go back now. We're almost there. We're very close.
This is a sign, a very bad sign, that we should not continue. Listen. First, it was very difficult to get palm wine. And now, this one comes here to break.
Papa, let's go back. I know it was difficult to get palm wine before. If we search this village thoroughly, we will get and still make it in time.
Where can we find palm wine in this place?
Papa, we will find palm wine now.
Where?
You can find palm wine.
Mazis. Good afternoon, sir.
This woman. You get palm wine. Let's go. We'll get it.
There's somewhere we can get palm wine. Papa, I told you. Mazins, please take us. Please. Thank you, sir.
Let's go.
Papa. Nothing except God will stop me from making you my wife.
Papa, welcome. Nancy, welcome. Come.
Come, let me get checked.
What up, Mama?
She's inside.
That's right.
Oh, Manzi. Hey, Don. You're welcome. How are you now?
Fine, Mama. Good evening.
If you doubt me, something will happen to you the day the young man and his father will visit your home.
I hope you're well.
The young man in question has a mark on his neck. This guy he got from the rope the day he killed himself.
It's just a red mark.
It's true.
Good. Hallelujah. Bia. Come. It's a long story. I won't be the one to stop it. It started many years ago.
Mama, what are you saying?
One day you know what I'm saying.
Mama, are you saying you are not in support of our marriage?
Yes. You have my blessing.
Thank you. Thank you, our in-law. Thank you. Thank you.
I have a special abacha for you. Please don't say no to my abacha this time, please.
Mama, there is no way I would say no. We are going to eat the abacha right away. Papa, please join us.
No. You and your wife go and enjoy yourself while we stay here and wait.
Elders.
Please, come in. Hey! No. Come in, please. Come in.
Ivana Chona Enu.
Hey.
No. Mazi. Please use this one and while away time. The two lovebirds are in there enjoying themselves.
Of course.
While I run along to go and call Mazi Chi.
All right. We love that. Yes. Let them enjoy themselves while we use this and wait for your husband's people to come.
Remember to tell Okoro that your in-laws have come.
Okay, I will do just that. Let me run along. It's about to rain.
It's evident. It's evident.
Hey, no.
Hey. Chukwabiame, we are calling on you to come and see that what started some years ago is now coming to a close with us. I don't know what is keeping this woman.
She has stayed so long. And even the children that are inside, I'm not even hearing sound, either sound of fighting or even sound of laughter.
At all.
We should go and see what is wrong.
That is what
I hope they don't think we have come here to stay from morning till night.
Hey, I've stayed so long, and we don't hear noise here. Where are they, sir? Where are they?
Abomination!
Hey! You know, when we got into the house, we saw the dead bodies of Yelu and Oledo lying on the floor.
Mama Ola poisoned the abacha. She's wicked.
But she drowned in the river.
That serves her right. She shouldn't have killed them now.
But they came back again as Obiajolo and Nkemakono.
Grandpa!
This time, not from the same parents.
Grandpa! How do you know they were the ones that came back again?
When Obiajolo was born, he looked very much like Yelu. So I and Abba, the father, consulted a diviner.
A diviner?
Yes.
What's that? A witch doctor?
No, it's not a witch doctor. It's the medium between man and the gods. Just like you consult the pastors to to tell you something about Chukwabian. That story will be told for another day.
But Grandpa, I want to hear the story of Obiajulu. Yes, Grandpa. You know we are going back to Lagos tomorrow.
Oh, okay. You're right. That story for Obiajulu, I'll tell you the story of Obiajulu.
Papa, look what I have. I want to break it open and see if I have enough money inside here for my clearance fee. Hopefully I do. Papa, see you, Legba. Hey, Papa! The gods have smiled on us. See, Papa, Papa, look at this. Papa, I am not particularly sure how much we have here, but I have a feeling it's above 30,000 naira. Papa, look at all this money. Papa, Papa, see.
So sorry for keeping you waiting. It's so glad. Your father has CKD.
Sorry, doctors, what does CKD mean?
That means chronic kidney disease.
Wow. Okay. Doctor, please tell me he's not going to die. Please.
Mr. Obiajulu, I have to be very, very honest with you. Your father needs an urgent kidney transplant.
Wow, kidney transplant. That sounds really expensive. How am I going to be able to raise the money for a kidney transplant?
I think you have to run around your relatives.
Relatives, doctor. I don't have any relatives that I can ask for money, especially not enough money to go overseas for a kidney transplant.
No. You don't need to go to overseas for that. I'll refer you to a hospital in Ibadan, where it will save you a lot of costs, okay?
Doctor, I know you've done a lot for us, but please, is there any way you can help me, help us? Please.
I would have loved to do it, but I'm sorry. But I'll contact my colleagues in Ibadan. That's when you have been able to raise some reasonable amount of money.
I'm finished.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really very sorry.
So, what did the doctor say?
doctor said that he has a chronic kidney disease. And he's in urgent need of a kidney transplant.
Huh? Chronic kidney? Here. Where did that one come from again now? Eh? Obim, that will cost a lot of money.
I just don't know what to do right now. I'm confused. My head is spinning.
It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy, okay? Everything will be fine.
Madam. I will give you 50,000 naira for everything.
Hey, bros. You try, but 50,000 naira is too small. It's not good enough at all. See, this motorcycle, this motorcycle, we bought it last year. We've not even used it for up to a year. The engine is still very sound, it is in good condition. This wheelbarrow too, very strong. We still use it to carry things. This roofing sheet is new. I've not even used it. Wanted to use it for the house, but as you can see, we need money. I've not even used it or touched it at all. Okay, I'll just round it up for you. Pay me 100,000 naira, please.
Look at the wheelbarrow. One of the wheelbarrow hand is not good. Okay, I will give you everything, 70,000 naira.
Hey, bros, now this wheelbarrow hand that you're talking about, it's just a small welder's work. It's a small thing, just that I've not had the time. Okay, because it's you, just give me 80,000 naira, please.
No, 70,000 naira, final price. Take it. This is the money. Let me call one of my guys. Huh? Thank you.
From that palm tree?
Yes.
All the way to the other tree down there?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, not this one?
The other one there.
Okay. I hope this place is genuine.
Oh, yes, it is. It is very genuine, Chief. I wouldn't bring you to a land that isn't. My father owns this plot of land.
Are you sure you're not selling this land behind your father?
No, Chief. I can't do such a thing. The simple truth is, my father is very sick and in the hospital, and I'm trying to raise money for his heart surgery in Ibadan.
It's not even in sight. Okay. I will pay 400,000.
You tried, Chief, but you and I know that this plot of land is worth more than 400,000 naira. Okay, please, Chief. Just pay 500,000, at least for the sake of my sick father.
Okay. I will give you 500,000 because of your sick father.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Come with me to the car.
Thank you, sir. So I was able to realize 605,000 naira, thereabouts. And then I spoke to the doctor. doctor said that the only way that will be enough, the only way, is if I donate my kidney.
What choice do I have? But he's my father. I can't let him die.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
We're going to be married. First thing tomorrow morning.
That's how I was able to raise money for your surgery.
You donated one of your kidneys to save my life. You are a brave man, son. I'm proud of you.
Papa, you're not angry that I sold the land?
No! You took the right decision, though that leaves us with just a plot of land. But for this, I will never live to watch anything take your happiness away.
Yes. Thank you, Papa.
I should be the one thanking you. God will bless you for me.
Amen, Papa.
I even put Dikeh, so it is genuine and safe.
Nah, I don't like this land. I don't like this place.
Eh? It belongs to me. I inherited it from my father.
I know you inherited it from your father, but I don't just like it.
Is it because of the price?
No.
Wait a minute. If it is because of the price, I'm ready to give you a discount.
Nah.
Are you going? Please, you can't do this to me. My son, clearance.
Papa, welcome.
Go and get me some water to drink.
All right, Papa. Yes, sir. Papa, I hope it went well.
No. Ezionwuzia said he wanted to buy again.
Why?
He did not tell me why.
Oh my God. Why me now, Papa? Why me?
Well, son, there is still hope. Onwa said he will buy the place, but he's pricing it for 200,000 naira.
No, Papa. It's too poor. No, we can't. I'd rather sit down at home than sell that plot of land for 200,000 naira.
God forbid you sitting down at home because of money than selling that plot of land. I'd rather sell that plot of land for 100,000 naira instead of watching you sit down in the house and while your mate go for their youth service. No.
Papa, we have to think about this. We really have to think about this.
Yes, I have thought about it. I know you get good job and you buy more plots of land in the future. I've thought about it.
Are you hungry? Should I get your food for you here?
No. I'm not hungry at all. Obiajulu. What are you still doing outside this time of the night? I know you want to go back to school for your clearance. I told you Onwa will buy the land, so don't worry. You'll go for your clearance.
Papa, I'm worried. What if that doesn't happen? What if Onwa changes his mind just like Ewuzie did? What happens to me then? No hope of me going for service with my mates.
I know you want to go for your service with your mates. I will never live to watch that happen to you. I will do everything possible for you to go for your service. So let's go inside.
what are you doing with all this firewood?
I want to sell them.
Since when did you start selling firewood?
We need money. There is not a single kobo left in this house.
You need money, so you want to sell firewood. Has it gotten to this?
It's worse than you think. Trust me.
Don't worry, eh? God will provide.
Yes, God will provide. But God helps those who help themselves. You need to set the will in motion, then God will perfect it. That's how it's done.
You're right. Why didn't you come to the house last night? My mother was expecting you. She made a very delicious soup. You missed. Why didn't you come?
I'm sorry. I totally forgot that she asked me to come. My head was full. But I will come tonight, I promise.
Okay. Where's Papa?
He went to see Onwa. Onwa wants to buy our land.
Which land?
The one by the market junction.
I thought you said that was the only land left. So why would Papa want to sell the land?
That's the only place we can raise money from. That's the only way we can raise money.
Then really, you people should think before doing things. I mean, that's the only land. You said it's the only land. Why would you? Really, you just have to think. You need to talk to Papa. Is there food in the house?
There's abacha in the kitchen.
Okay.
Welcome. Want to get you something to drink? Water. Papa, you look worried. What is the matter? Onwa is no longer interested in the land too.
Even when I told him to pay 150,000 naira.
It's alright, Papa. It's okay. You have tried. Eh? Don't let this bother you. Come, let's go inside. Let me give you something to eat. Let's go. Let's go. What is this nonsense now? Who is this? Stop this, please. Whoever this is, I'm not in the mood for this right now.
Obi. Keyo. Ogini.
Okay, just leave me and my many problems. I do not want to bother you.
Mba. You are not bothering me. It is me, Nkem. What is it? Ogini, I'm listening. Tell me.
It's my clearance fee.
But I thought your father wanted to raise money from the land you were supposed to sell. What happened?
Yes, but I just don't understand what is going on. All of a sudden, no one is interested in buying the land any longer. Just like that. It's as if the devil has remembered me for no reason. Me, I'm scared. I'm scared. It's obvious I'm not going to serve with my mates this year.
My man will serve with his mates. You cannot remain in this village while your mate goes for service. It's not possible. You will serve with your mates.
You don't understand, Dikeh. I need to get to school and do my clearance before it is too late.
Obin, trust me, I understand. I do. So is that all that is bothering you?
What do you mean by is that all that is bothering me? How am I supposed to raise the money?
So how much are we talking about?
At least, I don't know, at least 90,000 should be able to take care of everything.
Okay, just 90,000. Don't worry, I'll give you half of the money, okay?
Where are you going to get that kind of money from?
Don't worry, don't bother where I'll get the money from.
I will bother where you get it from. Don't tell me you started following all these Okada boys in this village. Nkem. Look, it is not funny. It is not.
Obin, listen, I've been saving.
You've been saving? Where are you getting the money you're saving from? Because I know that you don't have a shop, you don't have any business. Where are you getting it from?
You know my father gives me monthly allowance since I was 18. Yes. I've been saving it. Yes.
Oh. And you want to give it to me?
Yes, Obin. I want to give it to you. Obin. Your happiness means a lot to me. I can't sit and watch my man being unhappy. It's not possible.
Kem, you've done so much for me. I don't even know how I can ever repay you. You've done too much. I mean, I can still vividly remember when I was going back to school some time ago and you gave me foodstuff, provision. You even gave me 10,000.
Obin, I am not doing this for you. I am doing it for us. Yes, us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just hope you won't leave me after your graduation.
You know you abuse me and hurt me when you say words like these.
I've seen it happen before.
Nkem. Nkem. Nkem.
Okay, sorry. Sorry. I take back my words. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Forever love you.
Wait, leave it now. I'm almost done.
If I sorrow for if I sorrow for our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for if I sorrow for our love is unbreakable, my love.
Nkem? Is everything all right?
Bobby, I want to see you inside.
What?
Bobby, I said I want to see you inside.
What is wrong? Nkem, what is the matter? Talk to me. Nkem. What? What?
Your money?
Nkem? Nkem, wait! Wait! Nkem?
Here. What is going on? Children of nowadays, let God knows what is happening in their mind.
What's wrong with you? Why all the drama? What?
Okay. I just wanted to bring you out to clear your head.
Okay. You scared me.
I'm sorry.
How much is in here?
95,000 naira.
What? 95,000 naira?
Well, I checked my savings box and I realized I had 107,000 naira.
Okay, why are you doing this? Why?
Obi, you annoy me when you ask me such questions. I love you, Obi. I love you so much. I'm doing this for us. Us. I told you earlier.
I don't know how to repay you for all this.
You want to know how you can repay me?
I can never repay you enough. That's the truth.
I want you to repay me now.
Huh?
Yes.
How?
Come here. Come. Come, let me hold you in my hands. Come. Oh, I missed this. I missed the smell of your sweat. Obi, hold me tight. Hold me tight, Obi. Oh. Hold me tight. Oh. Okay, what is it?
Something into my eye.
Wait, picture. Okay.
I think it's out.
It's out, eh? But wait. What? Obim, why are you even in a hurry to go home? I want to stay a little longer with you.
I know, but not here now. Not in the bush, definitely. Besides, my father will be worried by now. It's getting late. I need to go and make his dinner. Please.
Okay. When are we going to do it?
Do what?
When are we going to make love?
Kem, we don't need that now. Okay? And it's not until my youth service is over.
Robin, can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? What has making love got to do with your youth service?
Everything. I mean, anything could happen. You could get pregnant.
And what is wrong in me getting pregnant for a man I love?
Everything is wrong with it. We are not married.
And then you and your father should come and see my parents. I mean, I'm tired of holding on. I'm tired.
We will. We will. When the time is right. Okay? Nkem? Nkem? Come here! What is wrong with you today now? You're behaving strange. What's the matter?
Obin, can't you see? Can't you understand? I'm a woman. And I have feelings.
Nkem, I will only touch you on our wedding night. Nkem. 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 Papa, good evening, sir.
It seems it was not late where we are coming from.
I'm sorry, Papa. This Nkem, she was acting strangely and I had to settle issues with her.
Is she alright?
Yes, she's fine, Papa. Papa, I have good news.
Go inside and get me something to eat. I'm tired and hungry.
Okay.
You cannot see the clear handwriting on the wall. Eh? What makes you think a handsome young boy like Obiajulu, after seeing all those beautiful girls in the university, would stoop so low, to touch a village girl like you? My sister, you are just a side woman. The woman he uses to while away time in the village.
Choma, what kind of talk is this now? What kind of talk is this? Hey, hold it. I did not tell you this for you to condemn your Obiajulu. So are you trying to tell me that my Obiajulu, my Obim does not have feelings for me? Is that what you are trying to say? Sty?
Okay. Take a good look at yourself. Look at yourself. You are not just his type at all. You are not his type. What will he be doing with you?
Choma, stop this. Stop this. Stop this. Are you trying to say? I just hope this thing you're saying is not true.
Okay. I'm your sister and your best friend. Eh? I cannot deceive you. I cannot lie to you. Well, I have said my own. I've just told you the truth. I have to be going.
Okay. Night, eh? I will see you. No. No. Fiajudu cannot do this to me. No.
Sit down. We need to talk. I have sold the land.
Really?
Yes.
How much did you sell it for?
100,000 naira.
No, Papa, that's too little. That's too little.
But in the circumstance, I have no option. You have to go to school for your clearance.
No, Papa. And Kem just gave me the money this evening.
Yeah, she did?
Yes. Papa, what do we do now? You return the money, right? Papa, we have to return the money. It's small.
No, Obiajulu. I don't want to make trouble. All documents have been signed. Where did she get the money?
She said that she has been saving her allowances for a long time, since she was 18 years old.
That's great. God will bless that girl for me.
God will bless you too, Papa. You have done so much for me. You and Nkem. I don't think I can ever repay you in this lifetime.
You are not the one to repay us. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me in life. I'm always proud of you.
Thank you, Papa.
Do you really love her?
Yes, Papa.
In that case, we have to take wine to her father. Yes, we have to go and pay her bride price.
Isn't it too soon?
No. You call it formality. That formality will fortify the respect and relationship between her family and our family. Once we pay the buyer price, she becomes yours.
Okay, Papa, it's a good idea, but shouldn't we wait till I'm, done with school completely, graduated?
I have thought about it, but then, you are my only son. Not just be my only son, but my only child.
Okay, I totally understand. Why don't we go there on Saturday and then I can go back to school on Sunday?
That would be good.
Obiajulu, come out here. Come out here. Obiajulu, we need to talk. Obiajulu, we need to talk.
Come here. What, Nkem, what is the problem? What is wrong with you?
So you refuse to touch me Because you think I'm a village girl, Kuya?
What?
You think I don't know you are seeing those your school girls, right? Obiajuli, I am not a fool. I am not a fool. What's funny? Oh, you think this is funny?
No.
What is...
Papa, what's wrong with you? Papa is a camp.
Don't say it here.
Okay, Matona.
Papa.
Why are you looking as if you fought with someone?
No, Papa.
Is your father?
Yes, Papa. My father is at home.
I'm going to see him.
What?
I'm going to see your father.
Right now. Let me get the wife, Papa.
Forever lover, my forever lover. We will be together forever, my lover. If I saw a family, if I saw a family, our love is unbreakable, my lover. Forever lover, my forever lover. We will be together forever, my lover. If I saw a family, if I saw a family, our love is
Obiajuli, have you packed your things?
Yes, I have finished packing my things.
Okay. I hope you added the provision I bought for you.
Of course I added the provisions you brought for me. You, what is wrong with you? You want to spoil me? All the provision, all that provision for just 2 days stay.
Yes, I want to spoil you. I want you to eat and get fat for me.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I agree. I'll get fat for you.
So where's Papa?
Papa is in the house.
Now that you and Papa have taken drink to see my parents, and now that you have paid my bride price, am I free to ask you to touch me?
Okay, please don't start again. Don't start
me.
now.
Touch me.
Okay, Papa is in the house. Just behave yourself, please.
This is not the house, this is the outside.
Okay. Okay. What's wrong with you now? You want us to fight before I go? I'm leaving now. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Be a good girl, okay? Papa, the papa. Papa. My way.
Yes, I can see. Obiajulu.
Papa?
I don't know why I'm having this feeling that you should stay back and go tomorrow.
Well, Papa, I already explained this thing to you. I have to go today so that I can go to the bank first thing tomorrow morning early to pay the clearance fees and then start the clearance process. All that is so that I can finish early and come back maximum 2 days time.
It's all right. Safe journey.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much. And you, please take care of yourself.
Hey, just be safe.
Be strong.
Don't worry, I'll take care of Papa for you. Papa, I'll take care of you. I'm coming.
All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Like I care. Not care.
Kev, what's wrong now? Let's go.
No.
What is it?
Obin, why don't you go tomorrow? Must you go today?
You have started again. What is wrong with you now? Huh? I made this thing clear to you and you even overheard me telling Papa now. I need to go today so that I can start early tomorrow morning and finish this thing and get back here as soon as possible. Maximum 2 days time.
Okay, 2 days. This is 1, 2. 2 days.
I promise I'll be back in 2 days. All things may go.
Okay, it's just that I'm missing you. I still want you to stay.
Let's go.
I'm gonna miss you. I'll miss you so much.
Yeah. What's up with you? All day, since today, anything you touch, you break, you break. Okay. Yeah. Get my food now.
There you are. Obi, how did you get there? Obin, what is this? Obin, please, if this is a trick, stop it. You're scaring me. Oh, come, please. Obin! 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 Obin!
You can stop here, Papa.
Where are you going? What did you say you wanted to do?
I planted a seed in Nkem's womb. When the time for harvest comes, accept the gift which she will bring forth to you.
I don't understand you.
This part is too hot.
Where are you going?
To the place which I have been sent. Go home, Papa. We will meet again.
Where are you going? Come back here! Obiajulu!
How did you get in here?
I need your help.
I thought you said you'd be coming back tomorrow.
Can you help me? Can you help me come back again?
Bobby, your hand. Your hand is cold. You're scaring me. What do you mean by help you come back? Stop. You said you wait till after our wedding night. Whose baby is this?
Give this baby to my father.
Your father? Where did you get this baby from?
It is our baby. Our seed.
Bobby, I don't understand. Whose baby is this?
Obim! Obim!
Papa, what about Obiaju? Is he back yet?
He's not back yet.
Papa, you mean Obiaju is not yet back by this time?
He's not yet back. I've been waiting for him too. I know something is keeping him. He doesn't travel late.
This is strange.
I'm worried too.
And Papa, please, take it easy. Don't worry, okay? I know you will be back soon.
I hope so.
Okay, Papa. And Papa, I'll come back tomorrow morning to come and see you. Everything that happened is all in a dream.
But you shouldn't be scared. Maybe he has one or two things to tidy up at school. I heard that clearance sometimes take 1 or 2 weeks to accomplish. Maybe that is why he's still there. Don't worry, he will come back. He will come back.
I know my son. He can't stay back without sending words. Do you know I have been seeing him in my dreams?
You have been seeing him in your dreams probably because you're always thinking of him. Always thinking of him. Eh? Everybody knows you are fond of Obiado. Eh? You are missing him. That is why. Eh?
It's okay. If you say so.
Listen, you go and have your rest. Eh? But go and rest. Yes.
Okay.
If you say so. Yes. Go and rest. Go and rest. Peaceful rest. Okay. Sleep well. Kachifu.
It's alright.
Abba.
Ah!
Sorry. What is it?
This is Salome.
Sounds like a folktale.
Chioma, I am sure of what I am saying. I'm very sure of what I'm saying. He came into my room last night and slept with me. In fact, my lower abdomen is still paining me till now. So it is not a dream. It is not. See, if you doubt me, come, follow me to my room. I will show you the first blood on my bed sheets.
This is strange, oh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Chioma, Ibiakwa.
It was Obiajuli's ghost that slept with you.
God forbid. Fiakwa. I beg. Don't tell me that. How can you say something that has happened to my Obim? Nothing happened to him. He went to the city. He's coming back.
Then my sister, tell me, what else can explain what you just told me? You see, this world is full of mystery. Anything can happen. Anything is possible.
Choma, nothing happened to my Obin. Nothing. Choma, stop this now. Stop this. You're making me nervous. You're making me nervous.
Okay, I'm sorry. But let's watch and see. Let's just wait until things are unveiled. But I advise, don't disclose this to anybody.
What do you mean by things unveiled?
Yes, no. You could be pregnant. See, it has happened before.
Are you serious?
It happened in my maternal home. There's this man and he died. He came back to make his girlfriend pregnant. Yes, it has happened.
Choma, you're making me scared. You're making me scared.
See, don't be scared, You don't have to be scared, Jitio Bigaka, But most importantly, don't let a second ear hear about this. Inanu?
What if what you said happens? I don't know what
to do. You can bear it. Just be strong. Be strong. But you see, I have to be going. I have to go home and cook for my mother. She will soon be back from the market.
And now, Choma, but you just came now. Stay with me a little now. Please now. Please, I need you around now.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Once I finish cooking tomorrow, I'll come and see you. Don't worry, Just be strong. But remember, don't tell anybody what you have just told me.
I'm waiting for you tomorrow. I'll see you too. Don't come and come to your house.
Okoro. I summoned you here to hear what this young man was telling me.
Young man.
Sir.
Tell us what you told me.
Agree to, sir.
You're welcome.
My name is Ibeka. I work in a mortuary in Amobia. A young man named Obiajulaba died in our hospital.
Huh?
Yes, sir. But before he died, he was able to tell the doctor where he came from. So the management of our hospital sent me here to tell the king.
What is he talking about? Huh?
No. Obiajulu, our Obiajulu. Huh?
Yes, sir. And that was why the hospital management sent me here to tell the king.
What really happened to him? That was what I've been asking. What really happened to him? A very young man.
I'm not in the position to say that, sir. But if I may say, it looks like an accident.
Accident?
Just like that.
Hey! Hello?
Wow. Young man.
Sir.
Thank you for your time. We'll send somebody tomorrow to come and confirm.
Okay.
I want you to do me a favor. As you're leaving now, please do not tell anybody from this village this news. Please.
Alright.
Until we confirm it. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much. Hey! And remember, what has happened? Oh no. How can we carry a man with broken waist? Tell me.
This is terrible. This is terrible.
Dikeh.
Bet, Okoro, tomorrow we'll go to Amobia and confirm this news. But please, before then, don't let Abba hear of this. Please.
Dikeh.
Papa, Guinea. Papa.
Okay, is that you?
Yes, Papa, it's me. Papa, what is it?
I have fever.
Fever? Papa, have you taken medication?
No.
Okay, Papa, you know what? You have to eat. I brought you food, then I'll go and buy you medicine. Oh? But you have to eat. You have to eat, Papa.
I am not hungry.
Papa, you just have to eat so that I can take you to the hospital. Papa, see, I made your favorite. I made it myself, Papa. Papa, please stand up and eat.
I don't want to eat.
Papa, you have to eat. You just have to eat, Papa, please. Stand up.
My leg is paining me. My toe is paining me.
What happened to you? No, but okay. See, you just have to eat now so that I can take you to the hospital. Oh, Biko, stand up, Papa.
Okay.
Papa, Obiajulu will come. He will come. Papa, Biko, stand up. Just stand up so you can eat. Let me get it.
You're welcome.
Welcome, how are you?
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
No, sir. He has refused to eat.
You should have forced him to eat.
Now I can't go on like this. Try and take something. Please.
What
the doctor says wrong with me?
You say you have malaria parasite.
Malaria parasite?
Yes, and he assured us that you'll be fine.
Yes, of course. Obiajulu is not back yet.
I sent Chima to Enugu to tell him that you are critically ill.
Are you sure my son is all right?
Yes, very all right.
I am having a bad feeling about him.
Listen, there is no need to worry. If Obiajulu is not all right, I would have told you this for long. Don't worry, he will soon come back. Just be yourself.
You have not lied to me before.
And I will never be ready to lie. I will not lie to you.
I will believe you.
That's all right. That's all right. It's okay. You'll be all right. Can we go now?
Please, have you heard from Obiajulu?
Yes. No. We only sent somebody to go and call him. We sent Chima.
No. I don't believe you. Why are you crying?
I am not crying. I'm not crying at all. Look at it. I'm not crying.
Is everything alright? Is there something you're not telling me? No, I'm not a child. I've been seeing signs. Yes. If Obiajulu is dead, tell me. I have seen him twice.
Listen, don't talk like that. Nothing has happened to that boy. It is okay. You have seen him twice. You?
Yes. I have seen him and he always vanishes.
You are a strong woman. My dear, don't worry. Tomorrow, I will talk to you.
If you don't tell me the truth now, I will go inside and tell him that Obiajulu is dead.
Okay, you will not do such a thing. Please.
I'm doing that already.
No.
No, come. Please. We don't want to worsen this situation. Please, and can try to understand. Please. What is it?
Then it means Obiajulu is dead. Is Obiajulu dead?
No. Please.
Are you crying?
No, Papa. I'm not crying.
Are you alright?
Yes, Papa. I'm fine.
Kemi, I want to go.
Papa, you're not strong enough to go home.
I want to go home. Call the doctor for me.
Papa, no. You will soon be discharged. Please, Papa. Please. Just be patient.
Okay. Call the doctor for me. I want to talk with him.
You didn't tell me you were living in hospital.
I want to go and look for my son.
Agba, I have told you you cannot go to Enugu like this. I told you that I have sent Chima to Enugu. He will soon return.
I want to go by myself.
No. No. You cannot go to Enugu with this condition. No. Please, take it easy.
I must go by myself because there's something everyone is hiding from me. And I believe it has to do with my son. Something is definitely wrong with my son.
Abba, nothing is wrong with him. Obiajulu is very safe. Very, very safe.
Okoro, there is weakness in your voice. What is wrong?
What is wrong? How? Where?
I don't know. But each time something is bothering you in your mind, I always detect it from your voice.
Of a truth, I have been so bothered about your condition. But now that you are okay, I think I am relieved.
Okoro. Okoro.
Come out of that. Come out of. Everything is all right. Don't worry. Just go and rest. You need rest. Hey.
Okay. Please, go home and bathe and change.
No, Papa. I want to stay with you. I've already sent words to my mother and she'll bring my clothes for me.
My daughter, I don't even know how to thank you.
Papa, you don't have to thank me. All I want for you is to get well.
I'll be fine.
Let me get you your drugs.
No. I cannot continue to tell lies to Abba. Because he can read it from my voice that there is trouble. Yes.
So what do we do?
No. I think we have to tell Abba everything that happened. We can't keep on hiding it from him. Besides, that boy's body, Obiajuru's body has to be buried on time so that his spirit can have rest. Yes.
You are right. His spirit need to have rest. Our people used to say, no matter how terrible an eye seems, it must be used to look at something. We have to tell her tomorrow.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. I thank God whether it's Clement now. How are you? Very good. Sit down, let me take. I'm glad to see you are getting better.
I thank the gods.
I am happy seeing you, very bright today.
I thank the gods. Let me call Nkem to bring kola nut.
No. Don't worry about kola nut. Don't worry.
How will you come to my house and refuse my kola?
Abba, leave that kola nut for another day. We have come for our more serious day.
Well, if you say so. If you say so.
Abba, as Okoro have said, we are here for something very important and serious. There are certain things you cannot hide forever. Like a woman cannot hide pregnancy for 9 months. And a leper cannot hide the wound with the dust. One day rain will fall and it will reveal it. We have waited patiently for you to get better, for us to tell you what we are about to tell you now.
Oh no, why are you talking in parables? There's nothing the eye can see that will make you to shed blood.
That is very true, my brother from another mother. You see, it has been very difficult for us to reveal this. Because we do not know how you are going to feel. All the same, please. I want you to hold yourself. Like a man that you are. Please, because you don't wake it. Yes.
What is that news? My ears are itching.
Abba, we finally find Obiajulu. But all is not well.
Where? What happened? What happened to him?
Abba. I told you, I said, hold yourself. Are you not a man? Hold yourself. Get yourself together. Please calm down.
Abba. Obiajulu is not well.
I told you I
My son of Yajulu!
If any name if unanya did not be if unanya da wow madana wow even in a
Papa, where are you going to?
I am going.
Papa, please let's go inside. Papa, please let's go inside. Papa, come. Papa, come. Papa, please don't do this. Let's go inside.
My daughter, now that the burial is over, can go back home to your people. You can always come back here to visit me. Hmm?
No, Papa. I don't want to go back home. I can't leave you here all alone. My mind will not be at rest. I am not going, Papa. I won't go.
I'll be fine. Go back home to your people. You know, you'll soon be starting school. You need to go and get prepared. I appreciate everything you have done for me.
There's something I want to tell you.
What is that?
Mama, promise me you will not be angry with me.
Even if I get angry, my child, I will not beat you. Oh, tell me.
I am pregnant.
What?
I am pregnant for Obiachu.
Tell me you're joking. No, it can't be true.
Mama, I am not joking. It's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Kimakonam, why? Why? Eh? How did it happen? But you told me he has not touched you. Oh, was that why they quickly came to pay your bride price?
It happened like a dream. Yeah. He came into my room the day I suppose he died. I couldn't resist him. I couldn't stop him from touching me. He later came to me in my dream with a baby boy.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
I can't explain it myself. All I know is that I am pregnant for Obiachulu. He came to me the day he died.
How do I explain this to you, Father?
There's nothing there to explain to him. I will talk to him.
Hey! Kimakonam, this is trouble. Hey, this is trouble.
Mama, you don't have to let it bother you. I'll be happy to raise Obiachulu's child.
Kimakonam, do you realize how this could drag? I mean, do you realize where this is going to? A dead man got you pregnant. How will people react to that? I mean, what would they think?
Mama, I don't care what people will say or what people will believe. Has it not happened before?
I hear it in stories, but I never pray for this to happen to my own child.
It has happened. We have to face it. This is my cross, Mama. Let me bear it.
I still don't believe this. I don't believe you.
All I know is that he just came to my room.
How do we tell people this? It is shameful.
Papa, what is shameful in this? Has he not paid my bride price? He has paid my bride price.
And is that why you did this?
Papa, I did not do anything.
If I talk to you,
it just happened. Papa, I didn't do anything.
Listen, when I talk, you don't raise your voice at me. Do you realize you've cast my reputation in the mud? Do you?
Papa, I expected you as my father to understand with me that this is my cross and let me carry it. If you don't want me here, I can easily go and live in my father-in-law's house.
Did you say in-law? You don't have any in-law. If Abba and his son Obiajulu think they can play a fast one on me, you're joking. It can never happen. And you, if you think you can walk away from my house and go and live with them, I say you are a liar. It's a lie. It will never happen. Don't ever tell me to take it easy.
Mama, talk to him. Talk to him. I do not need his permission to leave this house. Obiajulu's family is my family.
What do you mean? Don't you ever tell me to take it easy. Don't ever tell me to take it easy. I told you these people have plans. You didn't listen to me. Now, Abba and his family, they have put my name and reputation to the mud. This is it.
Nai.
What is it?
We need to talk.
About what?
Our daughter.
And what about her?
I think we should allow her go to Obiajulu's father's house and stay there.
Can you listen to yourself? You want our own daughter to go and marry a man old enough to be her father?
That's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that we should allow her go there and have the child. And after that, she will come back home. Remember, the child belongs to them.
Never! No! Never! No child belongs to them. Listen. I don't need to hear anything about Obiajulu and Abba.
Nah, you're trying to stir up problems between our family and their family.
Oh, the problem has already started. I will give it to them in quantum. You wait and see.
Nah.
I don't want to hear anything about it again. In fact, I'm going to bed.
So, again, why didn't you tell me all this while?
I'm sorry, Papa.
Can you be honest enough to tell me how and when exactly this happened?
Papa, Obiajulu came to my house the night he died. Yes, Papa. I won't lie to you. His ghost came in that night and took my virginity.
So, this is the seed he was talking about.
Papa, what seed?
I saw him that same night. Yes.
You did?
Yes. I saw him that same night. He told me he planted a seed inside you.
Somebody believes me now. told you the truth. I have told you the truth.
Are you saying that his ghost got you pregnant?
Mama, this is my first blood. Yes, Mama. It happened right on my bed, in my room. Mama, I won't lie to you.
Hey, you mean you people have not done it all these years?
Mama, now you believe me.
Yes, I do, my daughter. I do. I believe you. I believe you.
And where are you going to with that food flask?
I am taking food to my father-in-law.
As what? As who? As his new wife?
Papa, I don't know why you've suddenly changed. Papa, what has come over you?
Take that food inside.
Papa, please. This man is sick. He has no one to cook for him. I beg you, Papa, let me take this food to him.
I said, take that food inside now! And where are you going to?
I am going out!
Go back inside. Come back here! Come back here! Hey! Nkam! Where is she? Where is that useless girl? I know she's hiding here. Where is she?
Where is who?
My daughter. I know she's hiding inside there.
I've not seen Nkem here today. She's not here.
Liar.
What?
You are lying. I know she's inside there. Go in there and bring her out, or else I will go in and bring her out myself.
What has come over you? This is not yourself.
You think I'm joking? Hey, what the man? She's hiding. Tell her to keep on hiding. I will come for her.
That is it. Father will not let me go.
I knew this would cause a problem. I saw it come.
It is not a problem. It is my father that is making it look like a problem. I'm carrying Obiajulu's child, yes. He has paid my bride price, yes. And if I decide to have the child in his father's house, is that a problem? It is my decision, not his. It's not my father's decision.
Just listen to yourself, eh? Listen to what you're saying. Why not listen to your father and let peace reign, eh?
Let peace. Did you say let peace reign? Never. It will not happen. Peace will never reign as far as I am carrying Obiajulu's child. Never.
Can you just listen to yourself? Ukem, you're making things difficult for yourself. Eh? Do you want your father to hate you?
Let him hate me. Let him hate me. Why are you even taking this in personal? Ogbasaragi? Ogbasaragi?
Okay, where have you been? Your father was here looking for you.
Papa, don't mind him.
What is going on? He came here shouting at me.
Yeah, Papa? Sherry. So you mean my father came here to shout at you? You see, I knew he was going to come. That is why I refused to come here when I ran out of the house.
Ran out of the house? What happened?
Papa, I don't know. My father has changed. All of a sudden, he doesn't want me to come here anymore. I don't know what got into him.
If you're coming here will cause trouble, you can stop visiting.
Eh? No, Papa. Why can you say I should stop? For what? If I won't stop visiting, I'll come. But don't forget about my father. Listen, I know how to handle him. He's my father now. I know how to handle him. Papa, get him. No, Papa. You have to eat. You have to eat now. Oh, Papa, you eat. After you go. Oh, don't worry. I'll boil you for you. Papa, and let's go inside.
Come here! Ngem, come back here! Come back here now! Ngem!
What is your problem? Why are you shouting? Do you want to bring down the roof of my house with your shouting?
My daughter. I want my daughter.
She's my daughter-in-law. It seems you don't understand the tradition.
You think I don't know your plan? Hey, you are failed. You are failed. Oh yes.
Well, I don't want to banter words with you. As you can see, I'm still mourning my son. So go back home and rest.
Yes. Go and rest.
Yes.
Hey, I swear I will show you.
Me?
Oh yes. Me? I will deal with you in this community. Okay, let's get that.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
Wait for me.
You have to go back one place.
No, Papa. I'm not going back to the house. Never. I will not go back to the house.
No. You will go back. I don't like trouble. I don't want to make trouble with your father. The only respect I can give to my late son is to mourn him in peace. Don't you want us to mourn him in peace?
I won't.
So please.
Okay, Papa, I've heard.
Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for family, if I sorrow for family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love.
Sir?
Now tell me the truth. Tell me the truth or I will cut off your head and bury you here now. Who is responsible for that pregnancy?
Papa, I have told you. It was Obiajulu.
You think I'm joking with you? I said, who is responsible for that pregnancy?
Papa, Makachuku, it's Obiajulu.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Tell this girl to say the truth, or else I will kill her here, right now. What happened? This stupid girl is pregnant, yet she does not want to tell me who is responsible for it.
Hey, Nkemakolamu, why not tell your father the truth?
I have told him the truth, but he didn't believe me.
This stupid girl saying that Obiajulu, a dead man, impregnated her. Can you imagine that? I will give you.
Let me go. Papa Nkem, don't raise hand up here again. I will investigate this matter personally. I'll find out the truth. I assure you. Eh? Leave it to me. Leave it to me.
Because of you?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I will handle it. I'll find out the truth. Okay. Okay, Makolam. Our people used to say, if a man does not know where the rain started beating the person, he will not know where it will stop. If you have any other man that we don't know, why not tell us? Let him accept responsibility for this pregnancy.
I don't have any other man. I don't. I have told my father that Obiajulu got me pregnant after he died. But he won't believe me. He just won't believe me.
I'm not surprised to hear this, Kumakolam. It happened some time ago in Omonato. I'm surprised it's happening in my own town now. Is Abba aware of this?
Yes. He's aware of it. He told me that Obiajulu has appeared to him and told him in his dream that I'm carrying his child.
Hey! Don't worry. We can go home. Eh? I will find out more truth about this matter. Okay?
Thank you, no, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Everything will be
okay. Thank you.
What a mysterious word.
My fellow elders, I have only come here to return the bride price that Abba and his family paid on my daughter's head. Period. I want my daughter back.
Papa Nkem, did your daughter ask you to do that?
She doesn't need to tell me anything. I am her father. Oh yes.
Mba, Abrejoku, promenade. It is left on Kim to decide whether she wants to stay in her husband's house or she wants to go.
And that is after she has given birth to Obiajulu's child.
Exactly. Because traditionally, she is a full member of Abba's family.
Mba! Lie! How can she say a ghost impregnated her? Does that not sound strange to all of you?
No. It doesn't sound strange to me at all. It happened some time ago. And then Banato.
Oh, Banato.
And the young man the lady in question gave birth to is the richest young man in that community today.
That is Banato, Biko.
Obiajulu once told me in my dream that he planted seed inside him, and that was the night he died.
My fellow elders, let us cut this story short.
To cut this story short, Nkem is here. And she's old enough to decide what is good for her. Let she decide where she wants to stay. Okay, Makola, tell us.
I want to stay here until I give birth to my child.
Aywa, this is her home. Nkem is free to leave, to stay here as long as she wants to.
Agba, what do you think people will say? They will say you are the one who impregnated her. Can't you think?
Let people say whatever they want to say. She's my daughter-in-law.
Let people say whatever they want to say according to him. The most important thing is something to make us feel happy all day. Oh yeah? That is all.
And Obiajulu must come back again.
Certainly, he must come back. So what are we talking about?
Abba, don't you have a way in this house again?
Oh no, you are asking me again. You should trust me.
Of course.
Papa. Go inside there and bring that keg of palm wine.
Okay, Papa.
Yeah, Papa, come. Come. What is wrong with you? Nothing. No, tell me, what is wrong with you?
We're talking something serious.
Why? Does it mean? Why did you leave that place like that? Don't you know that walking out on us like that will make you look more stupid? Don't you know? I don't like what you have done. I want to ask a question. Do you want to marry your daughter? Good. That girl has found this family a very worthy family. She has found her heart desire here. Why not let her be? Why not let her be? Let's go and join them.
Papa, welcome. This is to make all of us happy. Yeah, we should be happy. Very
Forever love, my forever love.
Finally, on the whole, Kebakonam lived with Abba.
Did Abba marry her?
No, she was there as daughter-in-law to Abba.
And she had a child?
She had a baby boy. They named that boy Obiajolo, which shows that reincarnation has taken place again.
I want to meet Obiajolo. I want to meet Kebakonam too.
Kebakonam is the manager of that bank at the Eke Market.
And Obiajolo?
Obiajolo is a medical doctor. Now, you see?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, my children. You can go to bed.
Grandpa, we love you.
I love you. Oh, good. Too much. Thank you so much. Oh. Children. They are my children. You see?
Be together, leave you never, forever love, forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love. Love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love. Love forever. together.